Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you, charms reading, friends. Yes, this is one of the most requested pick a card readings. Here it is now, friends. This is a timeless reading, friends. You can watch it anytime, whenever you want to watch it. It will still resonate with your situation. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Join us. Also, to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And friends, this is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms also, and this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate and help you out. So let's just take a moment to see what's happening astrologically for this week. Well, there is a new moon in Cancer, so yay! A lot of emotional energy, a lot of manifestations, a twin flame, love energy is there, a lot of loving vibes also. Mars will be squaring Uranus, so that will be affecting us. But overall, it is a good week for us. Nothing much, nothing major planetary, adverse effects. A good week. And make sure to check out your July pick a card readings. I have already done them. Make sure to check out your horoscope readings. I have also done them in Hindi, English, and both versions. So check them out. Links are in the timestamps. And let's take a deep breath. Are you ready, friends? Let's take a deep breath and choose option number one. This very cute penguin. This very cute penguin which has a winking eye. It's really cute. Option number two, the cat, the kitty cat. Option number three, the beautiful doggy, puppy. So friends, relax and take a deep breath and choose option one. Option two, option three, friends. I will leave that timestamps in the comment section, friends, and you can directly choose from there. And you can also choose more than one pile. You can also watch more than the entire reading. So yes, make sure you can do that if you want to do that. So let's begin. Let's see for option one. What's coming next? For those who chose this beautiful penguin card, I feel this is a very happy energy. This reminds me of Happy Feet, the penguin. So yes, let's see. And these are your oracle messages. Lots of oracle messages and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly. And your bag of charms is here. Let's see what is happening this week for you. All right. So wow, you start this week. Right now, you're feeling a little anxious, friends. I don't know what is causing this anxiety, but you are anxious. And something is making you worried, something is making you anxious. I don't think so. You are sleeping well right now. I do see you binge watching. I feel like you're a bit angry also. I don't know why. There is a bit of resentment or anger right now, not like in this week, but right now you are feeling this, like a certain anger, like resentment, like you want to change something but you can't right now, or you are angry or upset about life, the world situation, or whatever. I think this this is a repeating theme, friends. Many of us are feeling this way, with the world situation. Like, what is happening? Trust me, it is all happening for our good, for our collective good. So please don't worry. I know it is. The world situations are very strange. We have never faced something like this, our generations, but trust me, we all know what to do and how to deal with it. So give yourself some time. I feel like you need to take care of yourself. I also feel some of you are having some sort of a health issue right now. Maybe you are worried about work, and maybe you are too busy in work so you can't sleep, or you are not properly sleeping, relaxing properly. So that is becoming a problem right now. Let us see what else is happening, and then we'll see what's coming next for you. Five of Wands. Yes, aggression. You feel this is exactly the Mars square energy for you, friends, which is happening on the 3rd of July. So this is like, ooh, I'm feeling, Mars and Venus aggression. My heart is telling me to do this, my mind is telling me to do that. Some of you may be actually having suffering from people, your ego feels a little hurt, hurt pride, or maybe people around you are behaving a little more egoistic right now. But this is the current energy, friends. Also, you are in double minds, which way to go, which way not to go, what to do, what not to do. So there is confusion, friends. There is aggression. Yes, this is all an energy of aggression rather than silent anger, like you are upset but you don't want to tell anybody. It is like, don't hit me, friends. I feel like you might get upset with me also, like, oh, she told it, she is talking about it. All right, friends, we all feel it, we all are feeling this anger, this frustration, this strange undercurrent of it, Like life overall is okay, but the deep undercurrents are like something is boiling, isn't it, friends? But don't worry, we'll make it through. I know it because it's my job. All right, that was a good one, isn't it, friends? It's my job to know that. No, friends, I do feel we'll make it through, and yes, of course, it's my job too. Queen of Cups. So yes, friends, this week you're gonna return to emotional harmony, friends. All this ego, all this mind energy, you're gonna definitely get rid of it. And finally, good news is coming. You're gonna feel very more centered and more loving and more caring to yourself and more emotional at the same time, more emotionally open and receptive. I feel right now or in the past you were very isolated, you were not talking to people, you were not interested in talking. I think even with me also you were like, why is she saying all this thing? But in this week, friends, you will feel more emotionally open, more emotionally ready, and your cup will overflow. Your cup of happiness is definitely going to overflow. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. If you are a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, this week is very, very, very important for you because we have a new moon in Cancer. So, yeah, I also feel that some of you, your health will improve, and your confusions, this confusion, this aggressive energy, this resentment, this energy of undercurrent of resentment and boiling anger, that is going to resolve. You're gonna find something to be happy about this week, and you will also gonna find something to be grateful or fulfilled about, like, yeah, finally this is. I do feel that some of you will enjoy something good. You might go out on a treat or something, or you should actually treat yourself, friends, to good food because you need some tender loving care this week, friends. Yes, please go for it. Don't do something that you really enjoy. It will help you. And I do feel that yes, you're gonna look after yourself, take care of yourself. You're gonna feel more emotional. You're gonna feel more happier this week rather than in the past weeks. High Priestess, yes, your intuition is very, very, very sharp. So you must listen to your intuition, friends, because the sun is in Cancer right now, and the moon will also be in Cancer. So double the intuition, double the emotions, double creativity. So all those things are double dollops for you. You should use it, friends, and not try to get this exciting energy away. So, friends, use your intuition, listen to your intuition, and I do feel you are being guided. So, please keep following whatever you want. Your intuition is telling you, keep guiding. I feel for some of you, your mothers are very important this week. You may feel very connected to your mother, your mother in law, or you may feel very connected to your past, like. If you are single, you suddenly want to be a mother. If you are married, you want to have kids. If you have kids, you will really be possessive about them, not wanting to share them, because this is the ultimate mothering energy. You want to take care, you want to protect, you want to love your child. But remember, you are also your own baby, so, pamper yourself. Yeah, I'm pampering you with my laughter, so yeah, go ahead and do that. Page of Rods. So, some sort of an exciting opportunity is also going to come your way, friends, this week. So, get ready about that. Excitement is coming. I do feel an Aries, Leo, Sag person, and Cancer, Scorpius, Pisces, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. Some exciting opportunities are coming your way, friends. I do feel this is both in love and work. So, in love, also, you could be getting a new person, someone new is approaching you, someone new is trying to win you. You may be a little confused. Should you accept them or not? Should you say yes or not? But I do feel there is excitement in this person and you, and there is this is a very attractive person. This is a very attractive, and this person has a lot of potential for you. You know, there could be somebody you work with, or somebody you study with, or somebody from your neighborhood, because and there could be an age gap between you and this person, friends. So yes, exciting week, definitely. I also feel that somebody from your past, someone who was fighting with you, someone who was trying to argue with you, it could be a husband wife, it could be an ex husband wife, an ex lover, soulmate, twin flame. They are coming, they will try to get in touch with you. But I don't know if you, I don't think so. You are very sure about that person, the person from the past, or the person who keeps going, who is very egoistic and arrogant. They want to come back to you. But I don't think so, friends. You will like, be so easily, readily accept them, because you will take your time, friends. You'll definitely take your time, because you have a lot of choices available in love. Also, you have your focus on elsewhere. Your focus is on work, also on creativity, on taking on, self love. So you're like, should I waste my time again, or should I not? So that's the energy. I also feel that. Yes, for some of you, this week you might have a lot of workload. You will have a lot of things to do. So you will have to decide which, your list, which ones are the first things you're going to do, and which you can put off for another day, because you are a busy, 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 busy bee. So lots of priorities, lots of work, and choices in love, and choices in work. Whew, the devil. Love is hot and cold, friends, this month. This week, I don't know why I said month. Maybe you should check out the July pick a card readings, because that feels important to you, pile number one. I will link them in the timestamps. You can go check that out. They are both in Hindi Urdu, Hindi versions, and another version is in Hindi Urdu, so you can check that out also. The devil. So, friends, you will feel very strongly about everything this week, friends. Whether it is your work, whether it is your love, whether it is yourself, your people around you, or the world itself. Your emotions are intense. Your emotions are, you're very, very attached to the things and people and emotions. Also, there is a person who there is a connection which you feel is quite intense, but it's not healthy. You feel like, there is attraction, there is physical chemistry, but you feel like this is kind of an addiction. This is not a healthy type of a relationship. You may feel it that way, or even if the relationship is healthy, you may feel this week it is unhealthy, because there is an imbalance. Your person could be behaving egoistically. They are more aggressive and passive, hot and cold energy, but you are loving, caring, and sweet always. So you have to listen to your intuition, friends. I do feel there are two energies in love. A drop dead gorgeous person is coming with a potential, huge potential for you, and another intense connection from the past is coming back. And I know you don't want to hear the past, but friends, they are here, and they're like, baby, I'm here. I'm gonna drop my charms, and I'm gonna swap you off your feet. All right. I don't think so. It will be so easy, because if you listen to your intuition, friends, you will see exactly what this person is about and what they want. And I feel you like this person, you care for them, friends, but somehow this person needs to work on balancing this connection. And the chariot, yes, friends, I do feel some of you could be traveling this week. Some of you could be actually coming out of your houses finally for a walk or something, or going to a market shopping. I also see some of you could be very, very busy at work, so you'll be like going places in your work, getting very successful at work, and getting more clarity about your decisions at work. So some of you could be traveling for work, or for meeting your friends, or meeting your family members, meeting your mother-in-law. So that energy is also there. I also feel that at work you are really workaholics. You are working midnight, you are working in the day, you are very passionate about your work this week, friends, and nobody, absolutely nobody, can make you lose at work or in studies this week. So if you are a student, you want to top your exams, you're very competitive, and you're very possessive about your best friends, your people, your family, your books, your pencil boxes, your mobile iPads, whatever you are using, your watches. I don't know, you're very possessive, friends, about things your work, about your things you feel are important to you, even people, you feel very possessive about them, but in a good way, like, you want to protect those people, you want to take care of them, but at the same time, listen to your intuition, friends. Your intuition is guiding you, it is telling you how you can manage this beautiful energy coming your way. And chariot, yes, friends, travel, stay active, it will help you. This week will go by quickly for you, friends, so don't worry. Enjoy the good energy. Let's see what else, then we're gonna look at the charms. Deep knowing, number 43. So, you already know, friends, what you need to do. This confusion you are feeling, you already know what is the right answer. This choices you feel in work, you know what you need to do, whether you need to stay at your current job or leave it or move to a new job, or whether you want to stay with a new person or you want to stay with a past person, or that person will come back or not. You already know what is happening. Your intuition is super super strong. So so meditate a little, friends, this week. You, all that you want to know is, will, all the answers you are seeking will become very very clear to you on its own. So yeah, truth be told, number 14, yes, all the veils are lifted, and I do see news, clarity, and messages coming your way, friends. A lot of messages are coming your way, and I do see some proposals of love. Someone will, actually tell you that they like you. They might be your neighbor, your colleague, your coworker, or somebody from social media telling you, like, hey, I like you. I also feel somebody who was trying to pretend they never missed you. They are coming back to tell you, hey, I miss you. But use your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition. Don't just. It's an intense connection. Could be your twin flame, could be your DM, divine masculine, feminine, could be your lover, could be your husband or wife, could be a toxic ex. But listen to your intuition. Let's see what else. Journey number 2. So yes, friends, you are moving away from health issues, you are moving towards recovery, you are moving towards end of conflict, end of this aggression. You are moving towards emotional harmony. I also see some of you are actually going to relocate or take a short trip or a vacation. If not, you might just want to go on a, just be more active in the day, like walking a lot. You might also set some walking goals or jogging goals, like, hey, I'll start working on my health now, routine, physical fitness. I do see for some of you travel is coming, trips are coming, holidays are coming, someone may travel towards you. So that is also there. And oh my god, you're again intuition guard. 7 chakra archangel Uriel. So you are dealing with a very very important relationship, and look at that again, this number is repeating. Last time also with two different cards this happened, and again the twin flame energy is here. Number 14 and number 41, 1441. So mirroring of energies, great energy, friends. This is again a powerful week. You are very very connected to the universe, you are very connected to people around you and your goals and ambitions. You are very very connected, so listen to your intuition. Your creativity will be very very high. And I also feel that for some of you, you will spend more time learning something new in this week, like connecting with your spirituality, learning with crystals, learning or anything, what you like. I do feel learning is very important to you. You want to learn something in this week. There is a strong desire to learn and expand your life, expand your horizons. So, yes, some of you are waiting for news from abroad for going for colleges or job abroad or in some other cities or countries. Yes, that news is coming. Get ready. Number 1441 are important. So this is like double energy, mirror energy. So friends, be very careful what you wish for this week, because it's gonna come true. So just be very careful. And let's see what else. Oh, view from above, get the bigger picture. So yeah, I do feel that this is the time this week, you should take an overall view rather than, seeing things very microscopically, that this is not working in my favor. this person is doing bad to me, or this job is not working. No, take an overall, take a higher perspective. And I do know that you will be able to see things clearly, because you will have the right answers, deep knowing. You will know exactly what you want to see, the answers you are looking. View from above, get the bigger picture. Let's see some advice. Oh, opportunity and change. That's a wonderful card. Look at that. It's such a beautiful card. Don't you love those cards? I absolutely adore them. They are such a desirable and such yummy cards. Juicy, isn't it? I love the colors here, the picture, everything. I love these cards. So, opportunity and change. There are new opportunities coming your way. If not, you will create them, because there is a new moon. Look at that. So, friends, be very, very careful in what you ask or pray for, because it will happen. So, if you are angry and you make a wrong wish, abracadabra, it will happen. So, friends, be careful. Just be a little careful, okay? So, make some good wishes. We can always turn our wishes, like if you are a little frustrated, and you can just change your wishes, like, okay, let's make it good for me, let the best come for me and for others and for everybody, or for everything, let the best come to me. So the opportunities are coming, and some change is also going to happen for you. Some positive change, some healing is happening. Look at this heart energy. Your heart is opening, your heart is expanding, your life is expanding. So, congratulations, friends. It's a wonderful energy. Let's see some romance angels messages and then your charms, friends. So, get ready for opportunities and get ready to change. And not just that, get ready to get ready to know each other, because as you reveal your innermost selves, your bond deepens. So someone is coming, friends, someone new, someone hot, and someone from the past is also coming. So be picky. It's up to you, friends, whom you're gonna take or whom you're gonna choose. But yes, people are coming your way. So yes, let's see. You will have a lot of time getting to know people. So let's see sounds for pile number one. So my rings are always getting stuck in the bag. Alright. Let's see, friends. Lots of initials came out for you. Let me just arrange the cards a bit. Ooh, I like that energy. I saw something. All right, and so there is the initials are B, there is D, there is P and K. Wow, those are very specific initials. B, D, P, K. There can be somebody named PK or DK. DK could be the name. PB or BP. Some of you could be suffering from BP. I'm sorry for that. I do see recovery happening, or you will find out a solution to make your health better. So the initials are D, K, B, and P, and the number important for you is number 7. Someone born in 7 or the 7th of this week could be important. Look at that, the wedding bell. So yes, friends, I do see that for some of you, whether to marry or not to marry is the question, or for some of you, you are confused about your marriage, your relationships. But remember, news is coming. News related to marriage, news related to love is coming, and for work also. This plate is about you finding fulfillment, and this cup is about take a time out, friends. Take some rest. I feel you are not resting at all, so please take some rest. And also, tea is the cup is like spending time with friends and family. Talking with friends and going out, having a party. This message in a bottle, yes, a lot of messages are coming. Messages of love, messages from the universe are coming. And we do that pick a card reading, messages from your guides or messages your what you need to know right now. Let me know in the comments. We can do that. And the car, yes, I do feel that some of you want to be more wealthy, some of you want to be more famous, That's why you are frustrated right now, but you will be friends, you will be famous. This blue car is about intuition, learning. Stay open to your intuition, stay open to learning. Health, yes, your health is definitely going to get better. Health issues will resolve, whether it is yours or your family's. The cross, yes, holy cross, holy love is coming. Something very destined is happening for you, friends. Don't worry. The golden leaf, prosperity is coming, money is coming. The snowflake, your wishes will come true. So be careful what you wish for. The cowboy, yes, friends, the cowboy hat. Someone very attractive, but someone who is not right or whom you feel is toxic is coming, friends. So be careful. Knight of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Four of Wands. See, the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands was somewhere here. No, nope. The Five of Wands is here actually. So marriage is important. Marriage, commitment, settling down. Promise of marriage. Those things are on your mind. Also, business alliances. Harmony at work is also important. Three of Wands, expansion. You want expansion this week, and that's what you will have. Money, yes, money is coming. November is important. And family, yes, friends, family is very important, and I do see a healing happening in the family relationships. So this is a great week. Pile number one for you. Make sure to subscribe. Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. So if you chose this beautiful kitty cat card, it is super cute. And I look at this, you're super cute. I feel you're looking so cute and so happy and excited this week. Yeah, that's the energy for you. And green is about excitement. Green is about healing also. These are your oracle and advice cards. We're going to look at them shortly. Let us see your tarot, and then we're going to look at your charms also. So what is happening currently, friends? Yes, you are in a very strong and positive mood, friends, right now. You have made up your mind that you are not going to give up no matter what is happening in your life. You are very close to victory. You are very close to achieving some sort of a breakthrough, some sort of a positive change, and you have made up your mind that you are not going to give up. You are not going to be sorry or sad or negative or unhappy, maybe because of the world situation or no matter what is happening in your life. I feel you are in a very strong position right now, friends. Whether you know this or not, you are in a very strong and powerful position, and you are only, this is only going to get better from here. It can't get worse from here. It is like the you have been through the worst, and it is now time for only happiness, only sunshine, moonshine, and love and joy. So yes, you are at a very powerful position at the moment, and if you are planning to quit anything, if it's a bad habit, yes, go ahead, because you will win it. You will be able to overcome that bad habit. But if you are planning to quit your job or quit something else which you have worked hard probably on, please don't, because you are going to achieve success. Let's see what else. Yes, friends, some of you are definitely going to come out of troubles. You have certain troubles right now. There are blocks. There are certain restrictions, like you feel money is not coming. You also feel like you have to work harder to, make your work successful, to, get that appraisal, get that business going. But you know what? Things are improving in your life. This week, you will notice a positive relief. You will notice healing. You will notice recovery. You will notice, like, yes, you can achieve it. Things are achievable. Things are definitely more peaceful and calm this week than in the past weeks. And why? Because your mindset is so strong. You are definitely in a very powerful position, friends, right now. So well done. And whatever you feel was out of reach, whatever you feel was out of reach, you will be able to achieve it somehow, or some percent of it in this week. Like you want to go abroad, you will be able to get the contacts or communications going there. If you were trying to contact a person for some PhD or some degree, some job, you will be able to talk to them. So it is like whatever you felt was very far away, it is approaching towards you. It's very close. The gap between you and your desires is very close. So it's a wonderful energy this week. Let's see what else. Yes, friends, this week more help is coming your way. More contacts and communications will be forming. Networking will be very, very strong for you this week, friends. So, you will find people who will help you out. Help from unseen, unknown people, unknown sources will be coming your way. Why? Because you have decided that yes, it is going to come your way. It is your positive mindset which is attracting this help, this beautiful team spirit. Lot of help is coming. People will collaborate with you, people will cooperate with you, and people want to work with you, friends. People who were not ready to listen to you at work, they will now be your fan. Some of you may start working on social media also. If you were already doing the work, you will find more success there, friends. More support of people there. So yes, even in family, there will be more support around you. There will be more team spirit. People in your family will appreciate you, honor you. I also feel in love and relationships there is harmony, there is cooperation, there is like, hey, I'm sorry. Your person is like ultra sweet this week. They are like, hey, I'm sorry, it's not your fault, it's me. Not like in a narcissistic way, but in a sweet way, in a sweet way. Let me do this for you. Hey, why don't you say, I'll do it for you. That kind of a way. Hey, you're working all day, so why don't you take a day off? Let's do something fun. So, all those happy vibes is there. Let's see what else. All right, the words for some of you definitely, there is a sense of completion. Something is completing, so burdens are lifting off. You're gonna feel very free this week. You're gonna feel like a burden or weight is lifted off your shoulders. You're also ready. You're already moving out of your comfort zone, so you will feel more happy, more liberated also in some way. And you may do something, which is out of your comfort zone, but you will feel right at home doing that thing. Like you may start driving, or you may try your first, you may get your first bicycle. If you have never used mobile phones, there are people who never use it. And like senior citizens, or maybe even students, there are who don't use it usually because they are too much into bookworms or something. You will do something which is out of your comfort zone, but you're gonna seriously enjoy it, friends. Like you're gonna meet people who are different. You could be in a long distance relationship, meeting people from different countries, different religions, different cultures. For some of you, you could be traveling, or long distance overseas connections are very, very important. So some of you are actually traveling overseas, or you are talking or dealing with somebody, maybe a job professional person, or someone personal like a relationship, who is settled abroad or in some another city or country than yours. But there is harmony, there is more support and love in this connection. What else? Yeah, I do feel some of you are gonna try something that is out of your comfort zone. Like maybe you have never cooked anything, but I see you cooking. Maybe you have never played an instrument, but you will try. There are many apps on your mobile which you can play music on, so please download it and try those. I'm not trying to advertise, but maybe for starting, you can see if you can play, or if you want to enjoy, if you will enjoy that thing or not. I do feel some of you have never even tried gaming, those mobile games or any sort of games. You will be doing that this week, and you will really enjoy it, outdoor activities, games, funs. The Knight of Pentacles. Yes, friends, I do feel a Capricorn Virgo Taurus person is very important to you. I feel someone is behaving very shyly around you. They are keeping their emotions close to their chest. They are not telling you how they feel or how much they love you. But this week, you can expect this person to be more emotionally open and more receptive to your love. Also, if you were trying to propose somebody, friends, I think that person will take that offer, because they are very interested in you. The King of Rods, yeah, Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. So I do feel, friends, people who were very arrogant, people who were like, no, you have to, I'm the boss, you have to follow me. Those things are over, those things are bye bye, because this week team spirit is there. People will, the egoistic person, the arrogant person, the person who was like, hey, I'm the dominant alpha omega, you got to listen to me, baby. That person is like, Oh my god, I'm your personal pet. Please take me. I beg you. Because you are this, everybody want to behave cute with you because, that's the energy this week for you. That's the harmony. And Cancer, Sun in Cancer, Moon in Cancer makes people very, very emotional. It also makes people very needy. So I do feel your person will behave like, hey, take me back. I beg you. So there is this need of emotional cuddling and emotional love being said, expressions of love, romantic proposals, all this energy, and also less focus on aggression, on ego, and all these kind of things. So people around you are gonna behave really sweet. So wonderful. Good luck for you, friends. Very, very nice. And Fool, yes, a new start is happening for you, friends, this week. I do see that for some of you, you could be traveling or you could be actually applying for jobs abroad or in some other city or country, or you could be starting on a new job, a new trip, or planning for something new. Some of you may actually be having pets, a new pet or something, or you already have pets. You may have some babies there, your cat is pregnant, your dog is pregnant. So that my neighbors also, just I received the news today. My neighbors' dogs were expecting and they have very healthy babies. I just got the news a few hours back. So that is another thing, a new start. An ending as well as a new start. So, that ways. And what else? Yeah, I do feel, friends, in love, there is a new start coming for you. Some of you are going to, there will be a new happy reunion or a happy new person coming for you, friends. So, I do feel you were in a long distance relationship, which was this person behaves very arrogantly, or someone was behaving very arrogantly, you can expect more love and support from that person. Oops, oh my god. Sorry for that, friends. The Ace of Cups, oh my god. More lovey-dovey energy is coming your way, friends. I do feel that you will feel very connected with your work, with your gifts and talents, and you will be very creative also this week. Like you want to write a lot of poetries, or you want to read them, romantic movies, romantic comedies, all those kind of things. A romantic vibe, but yet practical in a sense, right? I do feel that yes, a new start is coming to your relationships. More love and harmony is coming for some of you. If you are really single, a new relationship is coming for others. This person who was egoistic, who was behaving bossy, will try to win you. I do see if you have a bad boss, they might be extra sweet this week. Let me know, friends, if this happens, because you are not gonna trust them if they butter you up. They are like, you are like, why is this person who is so nasty suddenly so sweet? So because everybody want to take care of you, friends. That's the energy. It is the moon actually which is making this beautiful energy, the sun in Cancer putting this beautiful energy for you. So people, everybody want to pet you. You are popular this week and everybody want to be in your good books. And yeah, I do see some of you might propose somebody, your crush, you might propose them instead of they proposing you. Here and now, yes, number 32. This week will become even more better if you start focusing on this present moment rather than the past or the future. And if you do so, this is an excellent, excellent week for you. Imagine, yes, number 20, you have a lot of manifestations, a lot of creativity. You have a lot of ideas this week, and you might find collaborations, people who can connect, networking, communications, lots of talks. If you are a student, you might end up forming a band, with people. If you might find some creative collaborations, like if you are learning, if you are singing, you might find other singers more easily. You might, if you are like writing, if you are writing poetry, you might find other people who are poets. So I keep getting the band Poets of the Fall also. You can hear that out. It's an excellent band, Poets of the Fall. It's a rock band, but it's amazing. I love rock music. Number 20. So imagine, whatever you can imagine, you can achieve it this week. So let's see what else. Thinking Women, number 47. So someone is really obsessed about you, friends, and they will be reaching out to you. It could be a crush, it could be someone you work with who has a who want to propose you, and it could also be someone who was behaving badly. It could be a boss, it could be a person who was behaving arrogantly. They want to come back. Appreciation, yes, people want to appreciate you, friends. Even I want to appreciate you, friends, this week, because thank you for supporting us. You guys are amazing. See, a lot of everybody wants to appreciate you, so that's the week. And you also should appreciate yourself because you have come a very, very long way, friends. What else? Ooh, protected by the angels. You are cherished by the angels. So, definitely, friends, you are safe on the journey ahead, and you are very, very safe and very protected. So, you can trust people, who are telling you, like, hey, I want you, I beg you to come back, baby, I'm yours. You can trust them, friends, because you can count your God, your universe to protect you. Let's see some advice for you. Who? Look at that. It's hot. Romance and connection. So, friends, yes, romance is coming your way. I feel not just romance, it is like harmony, love, support coming your way from all areas of your life, whether it is work, whether it is career, studies, family. People gonna love you more, and it's an easy vibe, easy going vibe. So, yes, let's see your chance. Okay, before that, sorry, that was a bump. Before that, let's see some romance angels messages. Ooh, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. So, yes, you are setting yourself free from the past, and you're not gonna look at the past or the future, but at the present moment, just as this card says. What else? Ooh, that one flew off. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So, definitely, friends, you guys are moving towards marriage, towards commitment, or definitely chances of getting married are very, very high, or chances of proposals is also very high. Someone proposing to you. Let's see your charms. Option number 2. What is the message for them? Okay, lots of charms and this green card. Let's just arrange them a little, friends, and then. Oh wow, some of you may be having some exams, the CA exams or some sort of other exams. You may be, finding more support in clearing your exams, or you could be meeting somebody who is a CA, somebody from commerce, economics background. All right, let's see. So Eva could be a name. I see that Eva Cassidy, Eva Cassidy is a beautiful singer. I love her songs. Eva Cassidy, I hope I pronounced her surname right. I'm not very good with it, friends, but I hope it's right. I'm sorry if it's wrong. Eva could be a name, or you could be dealing with somebody who is a CA, a commerce person, or someone very money-minded. So the initials are EVACA. I don't know, I can't make any other words from here. Let me know if you can. Number 7 is important. Number 31 is important. 31 could be a birth date. 7 could be the month, July. The blue card is about imagination. You can imagine anything. You will have a very creative imagination. Lots of new ideas, friends. Use them. Green, healing, lots of money coming your way, support coming your way. So use that. Don't forget to save. Yes, I do feel you will have your money will double, or in the coming your money situation will improve, but it is a good thing to save some money right now, friends. That's what this is saying. Save some money. Apple, yes, you are the apple of everybody's eyes. Yes, friends, sorry for that. I think there is a sudden bumpy energy coming. I don't know why. There is a sudden bump in the energy coming, a high energy coming. You are the apple of everybody's eyes, friends. So, yeah, listen to that. Everybody loves you, and people will try to charm you. Heart, yes, a romantic week. Someone has their eyes on you. The angel feather. Feather is also about communications. This feather is also about. Take your time to write your wishes, friends. Write your ideas, write your goals. The boot, yes, someone is moving towards you. You might meet someone while walking or while shopping around your house. Also, that or long distance connections are also important. Casablanca. Yeah, this is about, family. This is about, healing. This is about healing, strong stability in love. Yeah, I do feel, friends, if you were in third party relationships, you can expect some healing, some resolutions this week. Another thing is new friendships are coming, collaborations are coming, new connections will be formed this week. So yes, look for that. Dreams, yes, many of you are working on your dreams. Yes, X, you are moving out of that X situation. Although I do see they might want to try again for you. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. May is important. Yes, somebody born in May is important. And Two of Years, yes, you are a little confused. You may be in double minds about your past. Tiger, yes, you are very strong friends. Go ahead and follow the new people. I would say follow the new things. Four of Coins, save some money. And style, yes, friends. I do see that some of you are going to work on your style, or everybody might find you stylish. So get ready for some style tips. Give style tips to everybody. Oof, that was such a nice week for you, friends. Subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful cute doggy, let us see what is coming next for you for this week. This is a beautiful cute dog, and this is a charms reading. I'll be also pulling the charms shortly. These are your oracle messages and some advice. And let's see your tarot, and these are your charms here. The dog. Wow. I feel like this is a very happy go lucky kind of a week for you, friends. You are like, yeah, I'm not bothered about anything. I'm on my, happy vibe. Let's see what is happening. All right. So, right now, you have a lot of trust issues going on. So, you are not able to trust a lot of people around you. Or I do feel that there are people who are hiding some facts from you. Like, you might be dealing with a person. Okay, let's make it one by one. Okay, I'm getting a lot of messages here. Firstly, friends, you are having right now trust issues. You are finding it hard to trust people around you, or trust life, or trust yourself, or trust people around you, whether at work or in love. You are like, nope, I can't trust people. And also, if you may have been ghosted by somebody in the past, or someone recently ghosted you, blocked you, and you are like, why they did this, why are they doing this, what is wrong with this person, why can't they just come out and say what is the problem instead of blocking you? So yes, trust issues are happening. There are people who are stalking you, who are keeping an eye on you. I know this is sounding creepy energy, but I do feel some people from your past your exes are watching you, keeping an eye on you, because the sun and moon are in Cancers very soon. So that makes us, long for yearn, for our past. It makes us yearn. Everybody wants to be with their past, or at least look at them on social media. What are they up to? So this is the energy, friends. And also you're not able to trust people, friends, right now, because people are behaving shadowy around you. I don't know why. It is like, but this energy is changing, because you see this sunrise happening. I see a change coming for you very quickly. It's like snap and things change for you. 5 is again change. Yes, positive change. Good. What else? Yes, friends. So, how is this week gonna be? I do feel that this week is going to be a very busy week for you. You will definitely have some sort of a burden or some extra workload this week. I know you may want to try to remove this burden in some way, or extra workload is coming from your boss, like they might trick you into extra work, they might put their own work on you. I'm sorry to say, but that might happen this week. Like somebody, like your friends didn't do their projects, and in fact they bribed you, or they said like, hey, I'll give you a party, can you do my project? And you said, yeah, fine. But when you started the project, you were like, holy moly, this is too big, this is too much work. So I do see that there is some extra work coming your way this week. There is some extra burdens, extra load. Other people might put their workload, or you might have to do their work or duties this week. I'm sorry, but that is how it looks. But I think you can manage it, and you can plan it well. You don't need to do everything right now. Another thing is um, Six of Pentacles. Yes, friends, balance is coming in your way. Those who have hurted you, blocked you, they are going to unblock you and want to talk back again with you. And those, I do feel someone was trying to take away your money, like someone was not paying you properly. They were doing, you were doing more work, but you were underpaid. So balance in pay is coming, balance in finances is coming. All the hard work you are doing now, friends, you will earn in gold for that. You will earn very good rewards for it. So don't worry. I know it's not a fun energy to do extra work, and especially work that other people have put you in, stuck positions and make you do that. But you're gonna do the reward. You will get the rewards of it, friends. Don't worry. You will earn karmic rewards. You will earn blessings for that work. Also, past payments, due payments are coming for you. If some payment was denied, some money, some paychecks were denied, you will get those paychecks. If I do see that if someone was playing games, they're gonna trip in their own games, friends. So don't worry about it. If someone was playing games, they are going to miss you. If someone was blocking you, they are going to unblock you, or you will also block them. So I do see those who are playing games to you, they are going to be played with right now this week. I'm sorry, but that's the energy, and it is to make them wiser. It is to make them understand that these things are not good. It hurts. So that ways. I do see balance is coming back in your life. Some sort of a balance is missing in your life right now, but you will, as the week moves on, you will find it getting more balanced and more stable. So that's a good energy. Yes, some of you may be having some health issues right now, or you are worried about some family members' health, but don't worry, health is going to be great this week. And dogs are super healthy. They have a very high immune system and they heal very quickly. God bless them. And yes, so that is how you're gonna be. And your relationships are very very strong, friends. You will realize that your whom which relationship is the strongest for you. You're gonna realize it in this week, because this is a very powerful week, and people will realize that you are very strong. People who have done you wrong, they will see that you are very graceful. You have tamed the tiger. You have that ability. You have the grace. You have the patience. You have the courage. Not everybody can stand in front of a wild animal and be quiet. It takes courage. You have seen people cheat you. You have seen them behave badly, but you did nothing. You stood your patience. You stood your ground, and now they are sorry. Whether it is at work or in love or in family, I see it happening in all aspects of your life. People who hurted you will be sorry this week. They will see you as very powerful. They will see you as very loving. They will see you as an angel. And even at work, if there was competition, you can expect some paychecks or money or extra work, but also extra money to come your way. I also feel you have to be a little careful of your friends if you are a student, because I do see some gossip happening around you. But don't worry, ultimately, you are going to win, or it will be, nothing can harm you this week. That is the energy. You are like this, I'm the Hakuna Matata, and who can harm me? Nothing can harm you. You are very safe. I see you like this, you are this beautiful rose in a glass, and nothing can harm you. You are glowing, you are beautiful. And you're like this hedgehog. Look at this ring. You are like this hedgehog. You have these spiny and like the spiny anteater. Probably that's it. I don't know. It's a hedgehog, I think. You have these spines, hard things. Nothing can touch you, and inside you have a mushy heart. Hermit, yes, friends, you are very, very wise this week. You are very intelligent. You are also taking some time away from social media. You might be taking some time away from some relationships or even friendships, because you want to focus on yourself. You want to focus on your work. You want to focus on self work, some self learning or something. I do feel that is your current energy, that you want to take some time away from people who are negative, or people who are into competition, jealousy, or blocking, and all those kind of things, you want to separate from them. You want to take an I love myself and I'll focus on myself kind of an approach. Another thing I'm getting is someone is no contact, friends. Someone has blocked you, they are in no contact, they might have cheated on you also, or you feel there are trust issues with that person. That person was a hermit, they are coming back, they have not been in touch since a very very long time. They want to come back because they see you as this angel, they see you as this beautiful person, and they feel sorry, they know they did you wrong, they want to now come back and want a passionate new start with you. They are very very sure about this. They also miss you. They also, there is this spark in this connection between you and them. I also feel that if you are really single, you may attract a new person from your friend group, or this person is your ex's friend or your friend's friends, who is quite shy. They are very mysterious person, you don't know what they are up to or what they are, but the spark is there. There is a beautiful spark in this connection, and excitement, a mutual attraction is there. So either there is somebody from the past, no contact person, the blocked person, the person who blocked you, left you, they are coming back. They were a hermit, they want to come back now and want a passionate new start for you. Why? This is because karmic. They want to say sorry to you, they feel bad, they hurted you. Another thing is, for someone new is coming, which could be your ex's friend, it could be some friends or somebody you don't understand very well. So that energy is there. Four of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel that in money, you, even though there is extra work and money coming your way, but you still gonna invest your money and save your money. You will still be a little saving your money rather than investing your wasting your money. You don't want to buy on things, you want to save your money. You want to, money makes you feel secure this week. I don't know why. You will feel very safe with money and working on things, working on your dreams, working on your goals. You will feel very safe with and protected. But in relationships, you are feeling a little vulnerable because you don't understand people around you. Trust issues are there, but remember, you are very strong, nothing can harm you, that's for sure. And also take your time, don't hurry in relationships this week. Take your time, be like this hermit, see where it goes, and take your time. And the Hierophant, yes, I do feel that people from different religion culture are important. Also issues about different religion culture, different ideologies are here. You may attract somebody which is very 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 different from you, but that will also lead to a lot of passion. But be a patient, this relationship will need some time and patience. I also feel that if authorities were giving you a bad time, whether it is the family traditions or your boss was giving you a bad time, or some university colleges were not giving you degrees, they were like playing games with you. Some legal judicial systems were playing games with you. I don't know if they can play games, but sometimes the system can be a very difficult thing. You can expect a healing, friends. Yes, you can expect a healing, and you can expect things to go in your favor. Authorities and all these family authorities, traditions, legal systems to go and work in your favor this week. But make sure to rest, friends, this week, because you have a lot of work. My throat is tired, so I do see you talking a lot this week, or you may have to talk a lot because of work or because of the new people coming in your life. I also feel that some of you may take a break from social media. Some of you may take a break from actually go on a holiday or a trip with family, or you might take a trip away from family just for a little break, just for a little peace of mind. I do see some of you, marriage is very important. So, a past lover, a husband or wife, or ex husband or wife may come back again. So, rest your decisions. Don't be too quick to decide this week, because that's the energy, friends. Also at work, you will be starting something new, some new project is there, or some sort of a new start is there which you are very excited about. Breathe, take time to relax. Number 29 is very important. April is also very important, friends. Take time to relax. Even I am tired right now, so you need to relax this week, friends, because you are extra busy and people might put extra work on you. Peace, yes, this is a very peaceful week. Number 23, someone wants to offer you an apology, a peace talk, like, hey, I'm so sorry, I hurted you. It could be a friend, it could be a sister, it could be a family member, a colleague, a boss. Go the distance. Number 47, yes, friends, your mind is set that you want to achieve success, and that's what you are after. You will not be distracted. Your focus is on work, your focus is on self love and work, career, and growth and expansion. Other people will not be able to distract you. In fact, you might take a break from people around you. So, what else? Door to personal healing and happiness, number 34. Yes, I do see that happiness is coming your way, and new ideas, new healing, and money is coming your way. And angel of strength. You have two strength card. Look at that, strength and strength. So, you are very strong, friends, mentally, emotionally, physically. Nothing can harm you. So, don't worry if people around you are a little jackass. Don't worry. And let's look at that. Staying focused, hold the course. Yes, stay focused. I do feel you will be very focused. Nothing, no one can change your focus. Your focus is on career, your focus is on love. People will say a lot, many things around you, but don't let it affect you. Let's see the advice. Mother, Father, God. So, wow, you're very, very connected to the ultimate source of God, the Shiv Shakti, the Alpha, Omega God, the divine masculine, the divine feminine. I also feel that some of you could be getting ready to connect with the twin flame. If you have never met your twin flame, this week is important for that. Some of you are going to connect with your higher selves, you know you're very, very connected to the universe this week, friends. So yes, it's a very, very powerful energy. It's not something that happens every day. So let's take some of your charms. What will happen for pile number 3? Wow, see, so many people are important. Look at the number of initials you have had. In fact, no charms have come. My God, so I told you this is a very people oriented week for you. Wow, I think this is the maximum number of charms I have ever seen. Wow. The name can be Roke, Oki, Koe. Koe could be a name. Bear energy, I see the name Bear. So, bear hug, somebody might want to hug you, take care of you. Bear also are like, like comfort, take care of yourself, be there for yourself, What else? Wow, I have never seen sea. Yeah, somebody living near a sea or water is important to you. It could be someone who is a merchant or something like that. A traveler is important. So your initials are KOEEBER and SEAE. Number 99 is important for you, friends. The moon bead, yes, people will be highly emotional around you. Your own emotions will also sway a little, but don't let it affect you, friends. Focus on this. Stay focused. Where is this? Stay focused on your goals. Messages in a bottle, yes, a lot of people want to talk to you. Your past, your future, your present, everybody wants to talk to you. Work, love, friends, everybody. Passion, follow your passions, friends. This week, the focus is more on love and relationships, but I would suggest you to focus on your work. Keep working on your ambitions, your goals, and don't listen to anybody around you. Apple, yes, healthy connections are important. Health is important. And the heart, yes, I do feel somebody wants to come back again and have a heart to heart talk with you or connect with you. I don't know if you will allow them or not. The flower, yes, you are like everybody wants you. You are the flower that every child wants now. Karmic, oh my God, look at that, a karmic person is coming back, friends. or you may think about a past situation, but don't let it affect you, friends. Don't let it affect you. It was a karmic, it was a test, you have recovered. Eight of Wands, communications, focus, actions on, stay focused about your goals, your dreams, your future. Blue, blue is also about, the hermit. Follow your wisdom, be wise, be patient, don't be hurry, don't rush, don't be too quick to make a decision. Dreams, follow your dreams. And born to shine. Yes, friends, you are born to shine. That is why people may say that you are not good enough, you are not worthy, you may not be able to succeed in your job or career, but remember, you are born to shine. And you know this in your heart. So listen to your heart, friends. Listen to your heart. Someone may tell you are not loving enough. Nope, that's not true. We are all loving enough, and look at that. Express your love. Go ahead and make that gesture. So, friends, love yourself, take care of yourself. I love you, and someone else wanna express their love to you and make that effort. So someone wanna make the effort to great love towards you. That's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.